Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's tropical update. Tropical storm Howard strengthened into a hurricane yesterday, and as of 2 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Tuesday, August the 9th, Hurricane Howard has maximum sustained winds of 80 miles per hour and is moving northwest at 12 miles per hour. Taking a look at the cone, Hurricane Howard is going to continue to move northwest over the next 2 to 3 days, and then start to curve a little west into the east central Pacific as it begins to dissipate over cooler waters. Taking a look at the satellite imagery of Hurricane Howard, you can see that it is starting to look a little bit more disorganized than yesterday. Yesterday it had a very nice looking, very large eye, and now it is the eye is starting to collapse on itself as Hurricane Howard begins its weakening trend, and will continue to do so over the next 2 to 3 days. And this can be this is going to be shown by the Hurricane Howard model intensity guidance, as all the computer models have Hurricane Howard falling below hurricane status between the next 12 to 24 hours, and eventually dissipating in the next 3 days. Now, that's not all we got going on in the tropics. We have an area of disturbed weather south of Mexico with a 60% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 5 days, and a 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 2 days. And this is going to move northwest as well. For now, it looks like it's going to stay west of the Baja Peninsula of Mexico, but I'm going to keep an eye on this one in case the track decides to shift a little bit more to the east. And then in the Central Pacific, this system I've been watching south of Hawaii has actually dropped to a 30% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 5 days. And this is going to remain south of Hawaii, posing no threat to the islands. And looking at the Atlantic Basin, Invest 97L, which developed yesterday, has a lower chance of developing as of this morning's tropical update, with now a 30% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 5 days and a 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 48 hours, because it's going to start to move into a more unfavorable environment for development as it moves into the Central Pacific. It's going to encounter some wind shear and some dry air, which leads me to believe that this system is not really going to develop at all. So that is some good news for areas in the United States and the Caribbean. So thanks for watching today's tropical update. Stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.